We're like winding down. Yeah, it's been quite a busy, dirty December they call it. So we've received over, can't really say, more than 6,000 visitors to this park within 1 week, Christmas and New Year. They are still pleading that we leave it open. So we leave it open till probably the end of January, but we're winding down gradually, removing the lights, removing the structures. But the kids section is still up and running. Okay. We still welcome kids there. We have the bouncing castles and the table games for the kids to play. We prepared for a horse ride, but the horse came in sick, so we didn't do a horse ride for Christmas, but the horse should be ready in March for people to enjoy. And other parks are also busy this Christmas. We put in a quad biking arena at one of the parks. Oh. I think it's SM Park. And then we have the football pitch, the basketball courts, the 5-a-side, 9-a-side, and lots more. So thank you.
Guys, I'm finally inside the Unity Park, and this place is breathtaking. It's everything it's supposed to be. I'm going to be taking you guys around, even to the helicopter place I showed you, but just enjoy the view. Beautiful sights, very beautiful sights. Look at it, very beautiful sight. This is the walkway through the Christmas decor. This used to be just a park with trees, but recently, especially this 2024, all these decorations were made for Christmas, and it's even more beautiful. There are even tourists here to see the place. Very lovely sights. Those are the tourists there. Guys, that's a monkey there, a live monkey. I love this place, I do. I could sit here all day just enjoying the view. I could sit here all day. That's a sculpture. I don't know what it means, but let me just get the view. Guys, can you see that very massive, gigantic lion sculpture? It's a sight. See, I'm trying to get the front view. It's a sight. Oh, that is it. Oh, this is massive. Very massive, very massive. Can you see it? I'm still here enjoying the view. Hopefully I get a night shot. Guys, I told you this park is very beautiful with different statues. This is a statue of a cock crowing. Wow, what a view! That's all for this video. Please hit the subscribe button.